Pakistan team has reached New Zealand, where it will play T20 series, which is going to start on 12 January. Shaheen Shah Afridi is the captain of team, and he is famous as aggressive captain. He has decided to change the opening batting pair, and it is under debate that Babar Azam will no longer play as the opener in the New Zealand series. According to news, when Hafiz Rizwan, Babar and you are not our opening batting pair. Firstly, Rizwan got shocked and he said, "You know our record in T20 as the opener batting pair, and now you are replacing us." Then there was no answer by Hafiz, and due to taking stand on its position in Pakistan cricket team, now PCB has been convinced to play Rizwan as the opener. But according to report, Babar Azam kept silent on this decision. While on the other hand, Fakhr Zaman will play as fourth position, and Azam Khan has also made place in the Pakistan team at the fifth position. Now, just future can tell us whether this decision of changing batting pair